Hello everyone, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this video, you are going to learn how to optimize your Shopify store for AI search. So, if you have started your online business with Shopify, you are not getting enough sales, even you have not get a fast sales or single sales. Also, your monthly, weekly or daily sales decrease from the previous time, then you must have to watch this full video because you must have to know more about AI search as an entrepreneur, as a store owner, as a Shopify learner. So let's get started. Here you can see that I have created a presentation for you so that you can understand everything very nicely. And first of all, here's the title: how to optimize your Shopify store for AI search. ChatGPT, Perplexity, Google AI overview, and the framework for getting your product found, and what an inside AI answer. So first of all, why this matter right now? You must have to know about this. Also, this is very important question to continue this video to learn more about this AI search and the benefit. So here you can see that your customers already stop at scrolling search result, and that is really true. People are not going to scrolling search result like previous. All the internet users already changed their search behavior. You can compare it with you, and I can compare it with me. Right now, if I need anything to search, I directly go to any AI tools, not Google or not Bing or other search engine, because I know ChatGPT, Perplexity, Copilot, DeepSeek or any AI tools can give me the perfect answer in one line. They don't give me multiple green line to scroll down and find out the correct answer or guideline based on my question. So this is already changed to scrolling search result. So I hope you understand. People right now asking an AI instead of search, and it had back one answer, not 10 blow link that I actually share. In previous time, what we see that someone searching for any result, typing on Google, and they get 10 blow link, and the pagination at the bottom of under the 10 result. Then we have to go to the next page if you don't find the perfect answer in the first page, and people try to get the position in the first page and on the number one answer or number one result in the search result. So I hope you understand why this matter right now, and everyone right now involved are actually using the AI to get any information or to get any search in a one line answer with link or a lots of things. I hope you realize how comfortable as a user you feel or I feel to search on AI, and why we already stop at searching scrolling type result on search engine like previous. And here are the things I want to share. 1 million plus Shopify stores already made shoppable inside ChatGPT since Agentic's storefront went live. 12% of Shopify merchants have complete AI-ready product schema. That's only 12%. That's mean we have 88% Shopify merchant. They already don't make ready AI ready product schema or set up their store AI ready product schema. And here are the things: 3x more likely a schema complete product page get cited inside an AI overview answer. That's mean if you set up or make your store for AI search result, then you will definitely increase 3x more sales of your store and make 3x more benefit of your business. The shift that I actually talked in the previous slide a little bit, and here is the details. The shift, we have to must know about the shift from rank on the page 1, that was the number 1 tag in the SEO industry in previous time. Rank on the page 1, I will provide SEO service and rank on the page 1 of your page, of your website, of your business. Right now it's shifted to be the answer. Entrepreneur or any website owner or any business owner in online don't looking for rank on the page 1, they are looking for to be a answer. When people ask for something on the search result on the AI tools like ChatGPT or other tools, they want to get the directly be a answer of user search and with links so that they get the traffic from the AI search result. So this is the biggest shift right now, from rank on page 1 to be the answer. So I hope you understand this line very clearly. Old world SEO, here is the you can see old world SEO. Shopper type a query like good or best product for this and get 10 below link to compare. Click 1 2 3 sites from their own opinion. You own by ranking hash. That was the old SEO system or process. New world, that's we are shifted, or we are actually talking in this video. AEO, GEO, answer engine optimization, generative engine optimization. Shopper asks what is the best X. Yeah, read version of stored in second. It return one synthesized cited answer. You win by being the answer it trust. That's mean if AI trust your store, they find everything optimized and you have set up everything actually that could be the answer, not rank on page 1, then you definitely win the answer on the AI search result because AI trust you and show your result. So where AI shopping actually happened, we must to have know this one very deeply if you want to get the real crack or win the real secret. 4 surprise one job for you. ChatGPT shopping, show in chat product card from Shopify catalog. Checkout stay on your own store. Perplexity, answer research heavy question with cited comparison style recommendation. Google AI mode and AI overview, full state from structured data to build the answer box. Copilot and Gemini, same catalog, same rules, increasing one connection cover all 4. How Shopify plugin, Agentic storefront in plain English. Shopify quickly turned every eligible store into a AI shoppable catalog. Here's one catalog, many channel. You configure product data once. Shopify catalog distribute it to ChatGPT, Copilot, Gemini and AI mode automatically. That's mean Shopify actually everything make ready for you. You just have to configure product data. So that's why I think Shopify is still now going to be and keep their position as the number 1 e-commerce platform to start any e-commerce business. Okay, then you keep the checkout. AI is the discovery layer. Purchase complete on your Shopify checkout. That's mean your checkout is your own control, your admin, your financial, everything at your own control. AI just working as a discovery layer. So you stay merchant of record. Attribution villain, order land in your admin target with a referral source, so you can actually track what's working. The framework, this is the very important things to know, and when you crack this or know this, then you can completely understand what you have to do and how to be the answer of AI search. So you see, every AI engine scan your store the same 4 way before it recommend you. Again, every AI engine scan your store the same 4 way before it recommend you. Fix this 4. You are competitive on all of them. Number 1, S. Structured data, machine readable fact, not marketing copy. Content depth, specific answerable comparison ready copy. Access, let the right bot in and option in to a channel. Notoriety, review and mention that wild AI trust. Structured data, AI does not read your page, it read your schema. So I hope you understand the first one. AI actually does not read your page, they actually read your schema. So we have to focus on schema. As good as our schema, AI give the priority to make our store or page or product as a answer when someone asking for relevant question. So we must have to focus on schema before an AI model ever presses your marketing copy. It check the JSON-LD block in your page head for hard-packed price, stock, brand, and rating. 65% of page cited inside AI overview carry structured data. 71% of page cited across major AI platform have schema markup. Structured data code. Here is a overview of product schema data. So if you want to learn about product schema data, then you have to give time to learn about this. Otherwise you have to hire someone like me who actually working with SEO. So what we have to check in the structured data, the rest of your schema track. So here is the schema data checklist, the rest of your schema stack. Add FAQ schema, wrap real product question and answer, sizing, care, compatibility, and a model run on this for directly answer citation. Add breadcrumb list plus organization. Give a clear site hierarchy and confirm who actually behind the store. Avoid duplicate schema. Theme auto schema plus an SEO app, both firing product JSON-LD, confuse parser. Pick one source. So you have to very careful that you are still not picking two or duplicate schema. You must have to pick one theme auto schema or SEO app, not both in the same time. Avoid silent breakage. Schema break quickly after the theme update. Revalidate after every major theme or apps change. So you must have to very careful, and I recommend before updating and themes apps, you must have to audit your site via SEO expert, and after updating your theme also audit again. Otherwise you have risks and you have to lose your rank or position to get direct answer from AI search result. Baked coffee does not get cooked. AI model favor technically density, concrete, checkable specific over marketing adjective. Low density, great for all their comfort and everywhere. And here is the high density, breathable 4-way stitch neck, tested over 200 wire without filling, machine washable. So this is the high density. So you must have to focus on the content depth because I take it seriously. Pair it with comparison table, wire guide, and FAQ block on your blog. AI loves content while to answer a specific question. Access. Let the right bot in. Perfect schema means nothing if your robot txt is quickly blocking the plural that read. GPT bot, Perplexity bot, Cloud bot, Google extent. llms.txt, the honest trust. No major AI platform is confirmed to read it at answer time yet. It's cheap to add for the future propping and helped dev agent tools, but it's not a ranking level. Turning on Shopify Agentic channel is Notoriety. I trust what other sources vouch for. Review and aggregate rating, real review volume, and star rating feed directly into schema and into AI confidence. Comparison article and mention being named in best of, roundup and page give a model independent confirmation you are worth citing. Sharing of model response, the emerging metric, how often your brand show up in AI answer versus your competitor for the same query. And here is the mistake that cost you the answer. 5-way store go invisible. Conflicting schema source, theme plus app both emit product JSON-LD, all parser, discard board, missing return shipping field, no has merchant return policy or shipping details can exclude you from the Google AI merchant result, blocking AI crawler, and our jealous robot text rule can be silently wall of GPT bot or Perplexity blog, vague adjective, heavy coffee, premium quality tell an AI model nothing it can verify or code. Measuring what you can't see on a dashboard, how to actually check your AI visibility. Validate your schema, run product URL through Google rich result test and the schema.org validator after every theme change. Ask the AIs directly, query ChatGPT, Perplexity and Google AI mode with real wire question in your category. See who show up. Watch your admin, track a referral attribution on order inside Shopify to see which channel is actually converting. Recap: S.A.N. your store before AI does. S for structured data, C for content depth, F for access, N for notoriety. So you must have to make everything okay or check everything before AI pick your store product or page in the answer. That's when your store before AI does. S.A.N. Structured data, content depth, access and notoriety. And what is your next step? The cleanest data win the answer. This is the final step and this is the actual step. The cleanest data win the answer. Start with clear as this week. Fix your product schema, then work the C.A. and N one at a time. So thank you so much for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service relevant Shopify or SEO, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.